So we just got back from Costco. We got this true fruit. Why there is no it right here? So you pronounce it true.
It's called true fruit.
True fruit. It's cream. See, and strawberries. And gluten free. So anyway, so we are going to taste the. So we got this white chocolate and cream strawberry pink ripe. All right. Right. Ooh. Mmm. Sweet. Mmm. You like it? I know some people they put them in the fridge. In the freezer or in the fridge, Riley? Do you remember?
Fridge.
In the fridge, yeah. Just eat it like this. Room temperature is perfect already. It's crispy inside.